Here's a comparison between One State RP and Flex City. One State RP is just like an application where you will be able to see there the other options that you can purchase. So you can purchase coins right there. This can be downloaded through App Store or Google Play. Flex City is like another option game for One State RP. So as you can see, it is also only downloadable on Google Play and not on App Store. So this is just like an application of an online RP or another version of an online RP. Now here's a table for a concise comparison. For the city, one state RP is a smart governance, and for the Kishanks, a decentralized system. For the Flex City, main focus is adaptive urban tech, while Kishank is flexible infrastructure. That only means that if you need more, you can go ahead and choose any of the two.